Welcome to Real Leader channel. Yeah, today we are going to see where I had to do my MBA program. In my last video, why MBA we discussed. After that, a lot of questions on where I had to do my MBA program. Very interesting. See, institutes are famous because of what? Tell me one thing. Whether IIM, XLRI, even Harvard Business School, London Business School, famous because of infrastructure, location, faculty members, or anything. No, only one thing. All these institutes are famous because of their students. You have to understand. The point here is where you do MBA is not a matter. End of the day, you have to achieve your goal. For that institute has to support. They have to work with you to achieve your objective or goal. Then that is a good institute for you to select. All we can't get place from seat from IIM or XLRA or different institutes. But again, I tell you, institutes are famous because of their students. So wherever you get admission, you take it. Only thing you have to see there is the institute is going to work with you for achieving your goal. That point you have to make yourself very clear before joining itself, right? Because it's a management program, you need to work more on outside activities, especially learning new things, work with the industry, okay? Let me give one more example for you to understand. Both Steve Ballmer, Bill Gates, both studied in Harvard College. Bill Gates dropped out of Harvard College. Whenever you think about Bill Gates, you also think about Harvard College, even though he's dropout. I don't know how many of you know Steve Ballmer. So, Harvard famous because of Bill Gates' achievement. Same way, if you come to India also, we all know that ID products is CEO Mr. Mustafa. He studied his MBA from Bangalore IIM. After spending more than 8-9 years of work experience in Middle East, he has studied his MBA program in IIM. He is popular because of he studied in IIM or his achievement. So he is decided to do that business. With the help of IIM, he did that business. Now people looking Mustafa is the CEO of ID. Then only they are looking where he studied. From that they are going to see his institute. So again I am telling, if you are clear on your goal, clear on your ideas, clear on your plan, institute is not a matter. You can study in any institutes. Only one thing you have to check with that institute, is it going to support for my goal, to achieve my goal, to achieve my plan? That is a point you have to look at. Again, point number 2, here you have to look one more thing. Now, education is not only a serious affair, it's a passion. A passion now when it comes to higher education, especially in management studies. People are ready to spend money for learning that MBA program. So again, then you have to look here what I am going to invest for that, what I am going to get from that institute. Don't do it, already I told you, don't do it as a course, it's a career. So when you are investing so much money, what that institute going to return to me? I'm sure you all experienced in a different ways and means. You would have seen some of your seniors told you, I have selected the wrong institute for my MBA program. Have you not come across, I am not getting placement after my MBA program? Right? You heard this, people are talking on that. Do you want to fall in that category? If you don't want, then you have to work. That's very important. You be smart on yourself. Ask more question to that institute. Validate institute. What is the placement record? What kind of a subject are they teaching? What kind of exposure they are providing for learning? See, it is more. It's not in only a classroom learning. You have to go out and learn what is happening in industry. You have to learn inside the classroom. That is called management, right? You need more exposure for your learning. That's very, very important. So if the institute is not addressing that, then it's not the right choice for you to learn your MBA program. What kind of a faculty members are there? What kind of experience they are having in terms of industry and specific areas? You have to identify how can I get that information. Then you select the institute. We, especially my team members, are working identifying a right institute for right candidate along with that parents. Again, when it comes to the MBA program, especially when you are decided to invest so much money for learning, you have to work with your parents also. You have to make them. I have seen a lot of people who has come here and without any basic idea, simply they join different colleges. End of the day, they are not getting placement. They are not even clearing their official degree program. They are running here and there for getting their life, getting job, right? So what we counsel, what mentoring we are doing is we work with the parents also to make them to understand that what is going to do a real MBA program and what he will fetch after 2 years. That kind of a clarity you have to give your parents, and parents should also know that what is going to do after 2 years MBA program. That is a thing you have to learn from the consultants. We work on a different ways and means to understand your background, understand your academics, understand your interest, understand your domain knowledge, and where you will fit. All that mapping analysis we do, and we advise you to join good institute for achieving your goal. That is very, very important. Whatever the time you are putting for this purpose, it's going to speak after 2 years, after completion of the MBA program. When you are looking institutes, you have to look what is their placement record, especially what kind of you see, again I tell you, getting a placement is not at all a big thing. They have to make you to get that placement. That is a real learning. I told you already, when you want to get a job in automobile industry as a management person, for that what I am learning from that institute, if you are learning proper thing from that institute, I'm sure you will get job on your own. Most of the institutes failed in placement part because of, not because of the market condition, not because of their infrastructure, not because of their facilities, because of their input, what they provide for the students to learn and work to face that interview. So that job we are doing it. You can anytime you can record your informations. We can guide you properly for getting better institutes. And this is what I want to communicate as part of this video. And one more thing I suggest, again, students have a lot of dilemma and not having clarity on what specialization I have to opt for building my career. That we will see my next video. How can you select your specialization? We will see in my next video. Wish you all the best. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you guys.